Greetings, fellow digital trailblazers. Today, embark on a journey with us through the dynamic realm of affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're on the brink of launching your affiliate venture, fueled by ambition and the promise of passive income. But beware, lurking beneath the surface are the treacherous pitfalls that can thwart even the most well-intentioned marketer. In this video, we unravel the mysteries of affiliate marketing mistakes, shedding light on the nuances that can make or break your online success. Get ready to fortify your strategy as we unveil the warning signs, the affiliate marketing mistakes you must avoid. Before we unravel these insights, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're not just a channel, we're your affiliate ally, committed to providing actionable advice to elevate your marketing game. Join our growing community of informed entrepreneurs, your gateway to exclusive content and expert guidance. Affiliate marketing, while lucrative, is fraught with potential pitfalls. Understanding these mistakes is crucial for success. Lack of niche research. Affiliate success hinges on a solid foundation, and that begins with niche selection. However, the pitfalls of inadequate niche research are profound. Many affiliates, driven by enthusiasm or hearsay, plunge into markets without understanding their intricacies. This oversight can lead to a misalignment between the chosen niche and the affiliate's expertise or audience's interests. To avoid this, aspiring affiliates must conduct comprehensive research. This involves assessing the niche's demand, competition, and potential for sustainable growth. A niche that aligns with both the affiliate's passion and the audience's needs forms the bedrock of a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Furthermore, staying attuned to industry trends, consumer behaviors, and emerging niches is an ongoing process. Regularly revisiting and refining niche choices ensures relevance in a dynamic market landscape. In essence, lack of niche research is not just a misstep. It's a foundational crack that can undermine the entire structure of an affiliate marketing venture. Aspiring affiliates, take heed. Invest time and effort in understanding your niche, for it is the compass guiding your journey to sustained success. Promotion overload. In the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing, the allure of constant promotion can be a double-edged sword. The mistake lies not just in promoting products, but in succumbing to the temptation of quantity over quality. Affiliates often inundate their audience with a barrage of promotions, assuming more is better. However, the discerning affiliate understands that strategic promotion is an art. It involves a delicate balance, considering the audience's needs, preferences, and the timing of promotions. Aiming for relevance rather than sheer volume is paramount. This nuanced approach builds trust and credibility with the audience, fostering a long-term relationship. Quality promotions align with the affiliate's niche and resonate with the audience's pain points or desires. Understanding the psychology behind consumer behavior is key to crafting compelling promotions that not only capture attention, but also drive conversions. To avoid the promotion overload trap, affiliates should adopt a holistic view of their promotional strategy. This includes diversifying content types, such as informative articles, engaging videos, and value-driven social media posts, creating a multifaceted approach that resonates with diverse audience segments. In essence, promotion overload is more than a misstep. It's a lesson in the delicate dance of marketing. Quality triumphs over quantity, and a strategic promotional approach can elevate an affiliate marketer from being a mere advertiser to a trusted advisor in the eyes of their audience. Ignoring analytics. In the dynamic realm of digital marketing, the oversight of analytics can be a profound misstep. The mistake goes beyond merely neglecting data. It's a missed opportunity to leverage a powerful tool that can significantly impact decision-making and campaign optimization. Analytics is the compass that guides affiliate marketers through the vast sea of data, providing insights into user behavior, campaign performance, and overall effectiveness. Overlooking analytics is akin to navigating without a compass. Marketers may drift aimlessly, missing opportunities for refinement and growth. Successful affiliates understand that analytics is not just a reporting tool, it's a strategic asset. It unveils patterns, identifies trends, and offers a roadmap for informed decisions. Ignoring this invaluable resource can result in a lack of understanding of what resonates with the audience, hindering the ability to tailor strategies for optimal engagement. To avoid the pitfall of ignoring analytics, affiliates should cultivate a data-driven mindset. This involves regularly monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, conducting A/B testing, and adapting strategies based on empirical evidence. Embracing analytics transforms marketing from a guessing game into a science, allowing affiliates to make informed decisions that resonate with their audience and drive success. Poor website quality. The significance of website quality in affiliate marketing cannot be overstated. This mistake extends beyond the superficial realm of aesthetics. It encompasses the very essence of a brand's digital presence. A poorly designed and executed website can undermine the credibility of an affiliate, eroding trust and hindering the potential for conversions. Affiliates should view their website as the virtual storefront of their brand. A cluttered, outdated, or confusing interface can deter visitors, leading to high bounce rates and diminished engagement. To avoid this pitfall, affiliates must prioritize user experience, ensuring seamless navigation, intuitive design, and quick loading times. Beyond aesthetics, the quality and intent of the written content play a pivotal role. Grammatical errors, poorly structured articles, and lackluster copy can diminish the perceived expertise of the affiliate. Content should not merely serve as a vessel for promotions, but as a valuable resource that informs and engages the audience. Mobile responsiveness is another facet of website quality that affiliates should prioritize. With the increasing prevalence of mobile users, a website that adapts seamlessly to various devices ensures a broader reach and enhanced user satisfaction. In essence, poor website quality transcends surface-level aesthetics. It jeopardizes the very foundation of an affiliate's online presence. By investing in a user-centric, well-designed website with compelling content, affiliates can cultivate a digital space that not only attracts but retains their target audience. Benefits versus features. One of the most common mistakes in marketing is emphasizing a product's features rather than the benefits to the customer. Featuring a long list of specifications, capabilities, and options focuses on what the product is rather than how it can help solve problems for your target audience. Successful affiliates and marketers aim to communicate the tangible benefits and improvements a customer will experience by using the product. This framing speaks directly to the customer's needs and creates a persuasive case for why they should buy. Choosing the wrong products. Affiliates must be selective about which products they choose to promote. Alignment with your audience is critical. Indiscriminate product promotion that doesn't solve your audience's needs will erode your credibility over time. Spend time researching and analyzing your niche to deeply understand your audience's core frustrations and desires. Then seek out products that can legitimately help them overcome challenges and achieve goals. Promoting the right products demonstrates you understand your audience and have their best interests in mind. This helps build trust in your recommendations and strengthens your brand as a valuable resource. The most successful affiliates become experts at matching products to their audience for maximum value to both customers and the business. Neglecting your audience. One of the biggest mistakes affiliates can make is losing touch with their target audience. As time passes, your audience's needs, interests, and pain points inevitably evolve. An affiliate who rests on their laurels and neglects this evolution runs the risk of providing less and less value. Eventually, this leads to disengagement as the audience no longer feels the affiliate understands or speaks to them. The most successful affiliates stay intimately connected with their audience through surveys, interviews, social listening, and community engagement. Making the effort to continually understand your audience's changing requirements and adjust your approach prevents irrelevance and retention issues. Overlooking mobile optimization. With mobile device usage continuing to rise year over year, overlooking mobile optimization can severely limit your reach and results. A solid majority of internet traffic now originates from smartphones and tablets. An affiliate marketing strategy that fails to cater to this key mobile audience misses out on significant opportunity. Ensuring your landing pages, ads, content, and assets are optimized for mobile is no longer optional. Best practices include using mobile-friendly templates, minimizing slow page elements, leveraging AMP, testing on mobile devices, and tracking mobile analytics. Dedicated mobile optimization boosts conversions, revenue, and audience satisfaction. With mobile poised to dominate even further, affiliates must take mobile seriously to remain competitive. Impatience. Success in affiliate marketing takes time. Impatience can lead to premature decisions and missed opportunities. Patience is a virtue in this dynamic field. Choosing the wrong affiliate program. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Select programs aligned with your values and offering fair commissions for sustainable success. As we gracefully conclude this insightful session, thank you for being part of this enriching experience. Here's to your continued success in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing.